7 right now, the production of a coronavirus vaccine right here in Baltimore that could help end the pandemic was supposed to be a point of pride. Instead, the FDA now says that facility, Emergent BioSolutions, was dirty and staff members reportedly trained. 15 million doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine produced here had to be destroyed. WMAR News' Aaron McPherson is live at Emergent BioSolutions right now with more on what the FDA has found. Aaron.
Good morning, Christian. Well, the FDA did an 8-day inspection at Emergent BioSolutions, talked with employees inside, and reviewed surveillance footage from inside the facility for the last 4 months. And the findings weren't great. They found that procedures to prevent cross-contamination were not followed, and employees at the facility weren't trained properly. Their report states the facility isn't the right size and doesn't have the right design to be cleaned properly. They found paint flecks, loose debris, and residue in the room where the vaccine was being filled. Now, this inspection was part of the FDA's process to authorize the facility to hopefully start redistributing their vaccine. Now, that has not been granted. The production has paused while Emergent BioSolutions works with the FDA to resolve quality issues. As for the vaccines that have already been made, they'll have to undergo additional testing and evaluations before any potential distribution. We talked with a professor at Johns Hopkins about this. She says these findings are concerning but promising.
This is another example that we do have regulations and we do have processes in place that ensure that the vaccines that are produced are high quality, that they are safe.
Emergent BioSolutions released a statement saying, quote, "The FDA's feedback will help continue to improve and strengthen the supply chain for Johnson & Johnson's vaccine. While we are never satisfied to see shortcomings in our manufacturing facilities or process, they are correctable and we will take swift action to remedy them." And now Congress is investigating how Emergent BioSolutions even ended up with the Johnson & Johnson contract in the first place. And regardless of million doses being ruined at Emergent BioSolutions of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine and the FDA's investigation, the CDC already put a pause on the administration of the J&J vaccine while they looked into the connection it has with some of their patients getting blood clots. Now, CDC advisors are meeting tomorrow to decide whether or not to bring back the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Live here at Emergent BioSolutions, Aaron McPherson, WMAR 2 News.
Subscribe